Max Park, arguably one of the fastest cubers ever, has pretty much done it all. From breaking world records to dominating competitions, he has marked his name for good in the cubing community. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about his top 5 craziest moments, ranging from his most shocking solves to his fastest. For an example, on June 11th, 2023, Max Park broke what used to be the world record single. This competition was done in Long Beach, California. This solve was done in 3.134 seconds, and it was really significant in Max Park's career. But it wasn't only impacting in Max Park's career, but also cubing history. By the way, this was the world record back then. In number 5, we have Max Park's 5.08 world record average. Well, basically in that time because it's not world record anymore. In number 4, we have Max Park's 8.62 OH world record average. In number 3, we have Max Park's 4.86 world record average. In the number 2 spot, we have Max Park's infamous 3.63 single. In the number 1 spot, we have Max Park's 3.134 world record single. Well, it's technically not the world record anymore because Yihan Wang took it away from him, but before he took it away from him, it was the world record. So yeah.